Varane! Let's go! Let's go. Let's go. Let's fucking go. His name is Raphael Varane. Remember the name. Raphael Varane. When we say name, Raphael Varane. I don't care. I don't effing care. Let's go. Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there for brand new. Listen, a one love is a one love. 6 love, 5 love, 4 love, 1 love is a win. A win is a win. A win is a win. And we take the double a day. Every day. Every day we take the double a day. Every day I will take that W. Moving on to Tottenham next week. I will take that W. Even though we didn't play that well, first game of the season, look a little bit jitterish. Casemiro looks slowish in the midfield. Bruno, Mount, I don't know how that is going to work out yet. They're still not having enough combinations. Slow on the ball, slow on second chances, tackles. It just seemed a little bit lethargic. We had to take off Martinez because his tackles were a little bit erratic as well. Everything was just showing me that there's still a little bit of glitches left to be taken care of in the first part of the season. But we didn't lose like last year. We won. And that's the most important thing. We won. Regardless of what everybody else is saying about Manchester United in this game, we won. And that's the big key, because last year we lost the first 2 games. Okay? So I'm going to take that as a W. I'm going to take that as a win, regardless of what happened. Right? Varane, big blood need goal. Raphael Varane, big goal. Big up yourself, Raphael Varane. Big up your blood yourself. Love it. But it was a challenging game. At first, it was difficult for me to even track the game because I couldn't get the game on my TV. I switch over to my computer, switch that to the different monitor. It was tough to get the game up and running. I didn't see much of the first half. Apart from Anthony not beating a man, making the right pass, it was just a bunch of crap altogether. Couldn't communicate with the people in the live chat. But again, the fact that we got together, won the Saka with the with the corner, and not with the corner, with the cross, Varane with the header, loved it. I love every second of it because we were in trouble. Whenever we lose the ball in the midfield, they had a clear run towards the back line. Casemiro was missing. And whenever he tried to tackle, miss, gone. Our first tackle, always miss. Miss the man, miss the ball. Always. We need to fix that. We saw where they were attacking and Casemiro, Bruno, and Mount was behind them and they just couldn't catch up. Could not catch up for save them life. We need to fix that. I don't know if Wolves are fitter, because Ten Hag said the team was fit, so it couldn't be that. What is it? What's the reason? What exactly is the reason? I don't know. But we need to do better. We need to do better. We need to 100% do better. But I'm not going to take an L for this because this is a win. This was a W all round. All friggin' round. Take that win and run with it. 3 points down in the bag. Let's go. Referee, blow whistle. Let's talk about the rest of the Prem. All right, people. Let's talk about the rest of the Prem. Let's talk about Liverpool and Chelsea's 1-1 draw. A draw. So them call it, whatever one call it. Big draw. Liverpool, of course, with the opening goal. Chelsea came out with second. Chelsea had the 1 goal disallowed because of VAR. Salah had 1 goal disallowed. So basically 2-2 basically. But again, Chelsea had the better player of the game. Chelsea play was totally different. It's a different Chelsea team. It's a challenging Chelsea team. This Chelsea team looks difficult. This Chelsea team looks very, very difficult. it's going to be tough playing against this Chelsea team moving forward, fam, because the game against Liverpool, that game, last game, it showed me, because not only did they dominate the game in large parts of the game, but they had multiple chances to win the game. No, don't get me wrong, Liverpool always create chances, that's Liverpool. But Chelsea dominated the game in areas, in aspects where they shouldn't have. So listen, watch out for Chelsea. One game a week, Chelsea is going to be tough. Very, very, very tough. I'm looking at Chelsea right now because it's looking very good. Very good. Tottenham, 2-2 versus Brentford. And I don't know. It's last year, I put all my money on Tottenham for win the league, and they didn't. Look what them end up. 8-9 out, something like that. Can't bet no more money for Tottenham. I cannot bet no more money on Tottenham. However, they look different under pass. Pass Kegaglo, Paps Spursy. I don't know what his name is, but they look so very different under pass. So very different. It's like a different identity altogether. This is not the Tottenham that came to Manchester United last year and would just walk all over them. It's a different set of Tottenham. Without Harry Kane, they will struggle for goals. Don't get me wrong. But my word, they looked very, very, very good. Very good. So look out for Tottenham this year. Top 5, maybe. Definitely European League. But hey, listen, you gotta do what you gotta do. Man City will always be Man City, innit? That friggin' alien, that android, whoever the fuck him want name. I mean, me have him in my glory in my fantasy league, but still. 2 goals. About 9 touch man making a whole game, you know. I 10 maybe, 2 goals. Absolutely disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. And then Arsenal. Fucking Arsenal. 2 man. I mean, Ricardo Steven and then Richford. I don't remember for Ricardo Steven, but this man named Steven and chat this today. Arsenal fan. Keep talking shit about Manchester United, this Arsenal fan. Make him feel like I win the league already because they win one game. One game, you know, in which they were biting their nails in the last 10 minutes because not now versus run all over them. One game, you know, brother. And them act like they win the league, you know. After them spend 94% of their time last year running the league until Manchester City walk up all over them. One game, you know, brother. And them act like they win the league, you know. Listen me, man. Listen me loud and clear. Listen me loud and very, very clear. Arsenal, you're not going to challenge for the title this year. You are not. You're lucky if you make the top 4. You might make the top 5, but you're lucky if you make the top 4. You're not going to challenge for the title this year. Remember me to tell you that. You bum buck out of damn bright. Hey, watch your man. Anyway, people, it's so good to be back. I'm going to be back doing the videos. Every chance I get, I'll be doing the videos. As you know, I have a new baby girl, beautiful baby girl, so it's going to be challenging. But I'm here for the next 2 months. I'll be home, so I'll be watching the games, making videos, making content, putting it out there for you guys. So make sure you like the video, subscribe if you're brand new. We're trying to build a program, try to build the atmosphere so we all can talk and build a community together. Bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.